Hey guys, welcome back to the Route 66 Restoration channel. Uh, you guys may remember this particular item, which is my steering wheel. Last video, part number one, was a long time ago. And the reason being is I got so many feedbacks on grinding the dust in my house, and that I'm lucky I'm still married. And there's a myriad of comments. Well, I am still married. I'm very blessed. My wife is very tolerant of my hobbies, and we do get along quite well. So I'm very blessed in that respect. But I'm going to continue on with this. One of the things that I'm going to be using is this little tool with the little coarse sanding disc here. I think it's 60 grit. So I'm going to put my face shield on, and we're going to do a little bit of grinding and see what we can get this to look like. If it doesn't come out the way I want, I'm not super happy with this particular JB weld that I used on here. It's a marine stuff, and it doesn't seem to be too hard. So I do have regular JB weld. I may end up going back over it with that, but we'll see how this. See if I can even grind this stuff off. So sometimes you make a mistake and you learn from your mistakes. Other people said to use another product, and I think it was Marine Tex is one of them. And but I didn't. I used what I had on hand, and so we'll see how it goes here. But I'm gonna start doing a little sanding here, and this is part two of refinishing a steering wheel for a '57 Chevy. adjust you down so you can get a little better look. So. All right. So in the last videos that I did, or last video that I did, I showed you that I basically took the grinding bit and I ground out each crack. And you can see where I ground. Now I'm not using hardly any pressure on this, and it's taking it right off with the 60 grit. So it goes right down right down to the black coating. The steering wheel is painted of silver, and so it goes right to that. But then I think I'm going to have to go back over this again with another filler. I think, I don't know, possibly regular JB Weld, or some people have said they just use Bondo. So you know, if you have any heavy comments, you can do that. You're welcome to do that. But as you can see, I'll try to hold us up here to give you a better. Here we go. But you can see there where I grounded out like that on the back side too. See, so and just sand it down. So you know, sometimes you just work away at things and try to do the best you can. I've always just kind of rolled up my sleeves and dove into a project. Sometimes you don't necessarily have the option of having the right stuff on hand exactly to do it. There's a gentleman that's on the Tri-5 forum who's in Turkey, and what he's been doing, he's doing the best he can do, and it doesn't sound like he's ever done this kind of thing before. You know, he rebuilt a 55 four-door. I think he made it into a convertible. So you know, even in Turkey, you can have the car of your dreams if you work hard enough. And I'm a firm believer in that. I just enjoy, for me, this is relaxation and just getting away from the normal day-to-day of doing what I do. And so take it easy, guys. Keep the rubber side down. Enjoy it. I know I'm cutting my head off, but I'm trying to get you some good shots. I don't have you know, one of them fancy GoPro cameras. I'm just using the telephone. So anyways, you guys take it easy. Talk to you later.